Let me show you some interesting issue that you or your company might have if you use SharePoint. In this console, I don't have any authentication, so I am just an anonymous user, and I'm challenging different SharePoint site URLs. And depending on whether site exists or does not, I can get different responses from this URL. For example, I get 200 from existing sites, and I get 404 error if site does not exist, even if I'm not authenticated or authorized in this tenant at all. So far, this behavior can look pretty harmless, but look at further video and you can find how attackers can use it. If you want to get feeling of this issue, you can use browser and try to open different URLs in your tenant and see the difference. Of course, attackers will not use browser to guess existing sites in your tenant. They will use tools like scripting tools and other hacking tools. For example, this very primitive script will guess, will identify the tenant based on the knowledge about any email address in your tenant. So this was very easy to come up with. A second script that you can see on the screen right now, it will challenge different OneDrive sites. Just trying all the different character combinations one by one. Very primitive tactic, and still it works perfectly. I will forward this video now just to show you how many hits I found in a few hours. But of course, attackers will not use so primitive logic. They will use account patterns, they will use paralleling these challenges, not just requesting them one by one, as I do in my demo script here. So from this, attackers can figure out real account names in your tenant, and also they will have a list of emails as well if they want to use them in advertisements or social engineering approaches. And the last script that I show you here is trying different site URLs here. So an attacker can figure out what sites you are using and what team sites you are using, including teams. If you create a team in Teams, you will have a corresponding SharePoint site. So attacker can use this information as well to learn more about your tenant and about your organization. Please read the article that I attached to this video, and you can also read how we can together minimize the impact of this video, of this issue, of course. Thanks for watching.